Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you a quick way on how you can hide all of your comments in Microsoft Word document. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see here that I have added multiple comments on my Word document and now it's showing like a separate column. But I don't want this, or I want this later. Now I want to finalize this document, but how you can hide this? I don't want to delete that either. So what we can do is just go to the review tab from here, and it is set to simple markup. What you can do is just open this and change this to original. That's it. This is how you can hide the comments. Now the comments are there, it's hidden. Now let's see a couple of options. If I want to delete that, just go to the review tab again from original to the simple markup so that you can see the comments. Now if I want to delete a single one, just select that and just go to the delete option in the same tab and click on delete. What if I want to delete the multiple ones like these two? Go to delete option again and you can delete all the comments in the document. Pretty simple, right? So that's it. That's how you can delete the single comment, delete all comments, and just hide the comments to continue with your work. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button because that really helps me out, and subscribe to our channel so that you can get more updates about the future videos. Take care and have a great day.